Will ChatGPT take my job? Here are 20 professions that could be replaced by AI. Welcome to today's video. We will be discussing the impact of ChatGPT and similar AI technologies on the job market. We will explore 20 professions that could potentially be replaced by AI. So let's dive. As technology evolves, we are witnessing significant advancements in automation and artificial intelligence. ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI, is one of the most impressive examples, demonstrating a high level of language understanding in generation. One profession that may face disruption is customer service. AI chatbots like ChatGPT can handle customer inquiries around the clock, ensuring quick responses and improved customer satisfaction, which could eventually replace human agents. Next is data entry. AI can process and analyze large amounts of data much faster than humans, eliminating the need for manual data entry clerks. Companies can save time and resources by automating this. In the field of journalism, AI can generate news articles and reports in a matter of seconds. AI-written articles are becoming increasingly prevalent, potentially threatening the job security of human journalists. Social media management is another area where AI could replace humans. Advanced algorithms can analyze user behavior, curate content, and schedule posts, making the role of a social media manager potentially obsolete. Legal assistants and paralegals might also be affected, as AI can now draft legal documents, analyze contracts, and perform research, reducing the need for human involvement in these tasks. Banking and finance sectors have already started integrating AI into their systems for fraud detection, credit scoring, and investment management. This could lead to a decline in job opportunities for financial analysts and bank tellers. Healthcare is not immune to the AI revolution. AI can analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and recommend treatment plans, which could reduce the demand for diagnostic technicians and other medical professionals. In the education sector, AI-powered tutors can provide personalized learning experiences, assess student performance, and recommend learning materials. This could affect the roles of teachers, and the translation industry could also see a shift, as AI-powered translation tools are becoming more accurate and efficient, potentially replacing human translators for certain tasks. Travel agents may face competition from AI-powered travel websites and apps that can quickly find the best deals and personalize travel recommendations, making the role of a human travel agent less significant. In the world of advertising, AI can create targeted ad campaigns and optimize ad placements. This could reduce the need for advertising professionals and media planners. Market research is another area where AI can excel, as it is capable of analyzing vast amounts of data to identify trends and consumer preferences, potentially replacing market research analysts. In the realm of cybersecurity, AI can detect and prevent cyber threats more effectively than humans, leading to a possible decline in demand for cybersecurity specialists. AI can also play a role in video editing and animation, with algorithms capable of automatically generating video content and animations, potentially reducing the need for human video editors and animators. In the manufacturing sector, AI-powered robots and automation systems can perform repetitive tasks with greater efficiency and precision, possibly leading to a decline in demand for factory workers. In the field of human resources, AI can screen resumes, schedule interviews, and even conduct initial candidate assessments, which could replace the role of HR specialists in the recruitment process. In the insurance industry, AI can underwrite policies and process claims more efficiently, reducing the need for human underwriters and claims adjusters. Real estate agents could be replaced by AI-powered platforms that assist buyers and sellers throughout the property transaction process, providing personalized recommendations and market insights. AI can also impact the role of architects and designers, as algorithms can generate building designs and optimize space utilization, potentially reducing the demand for human professionals in these fields. Finally, in the agriculture sector, AI-powered drones and autonomous vehicles can monitor and maintain crops, reducing the need for human labor in this industry. In conclusion, while it is true that AI like ChatGPT could replace certain professions, we must also consider the possibility of new job opportunities arising from the AI revolution. To stay competitive, professionals should focus on developing skills that complement and leverage AI technologies, ensuring a harmonious relationship between humans and machines in the future. If this content was valuable, please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching Luxe Estate Finders, where we discuss all things luxury and